Hi, I'm Adrian.
And I'm Attilio. Today we want to talk to you about dress code.
How long do you think it takes a person to decide whether they trust you or not?
Believe it or not, it's 1/10 of a second.
This is from an article titled First Impressions, the July issue of Psychological Science.
How you are dressed is a part of that 1/10 of a second.
Here's an easy rule to remember. We don't dress to make our clients feel comfortable. We dress to make them feel confident.
The dressing for comfort choice, tank top, board shorts, and slippers.
If you're making the biggest financial decision of your life, you want confident, not comfortable.
So here you guys go. For the men, collared shirts, dress pants, and dress shoes. That equals confidence.
For the women, low neckline, bare arms, high skirt hemline. All three of those together, not a good idea. 2 of the 3 is better, and that equals confidence, not a potential date.
So make that 1/10 of a second count and dress to impress.
With a little wardrobe tune-up, you can dramatically improve your business. Thanks and aloha.
Let's go.
This is the Team Lally Real Estate Show. Home of the guarantee.